Hello students. In today's video, I will be discussing few basic commands regarding MATLAB, statistics in MATLAB. So first of all, I will be creating a data here. Data. I will be taking here 5 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5 elements I have taken, right? If I will run this section, so this particular data is generated, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now thereafter, I want to calculate mean of this data. So mean underscore data, this particular variable I'm creating here, right? It is equal to, I want to take what? I want to take mean of this particular data, right? And now again, I will run this section, so it will provide me mean of data, right? After that, I want to create median underscore data, median underscore data. So what is the command for that? That is median, let me correctly spell it, median of what? Median of data, right? So again, I want to run it, so I will run this section. So mean data is 30, median is also 30. And if you see here, I want to calculate the mode, but here mode will not exist because there is no entry which is any occurring more than one time. So let me change some data. Suppose I'm taking here one more 50, right? Now I want to calculate mode also, mode underscore data. This is the variable. I want to take here mode of what, of this particular data. So let me again run this. So it will now change the results, right? Because data is changed. So I will run this section. So you see mean is changed, median is changed, and mode is 50. Mode is 50. So in this particular way, we can just get very basic knowledge of statistical commands. That is mean of data, that is mean of data, that is median of data, and that is mode of data. Thank you so much for watching this video.